sorry. So when I was a little girl in elementary school, this was one of the desserts and one of the few things I would eat. I didn't eat very much. I was not a good eater in school because I did not like the food. So I guess, you know, even if I was hungry, I would just eat like the vegetables or something, or whatever there was that I actually liked, which there wasn't much. And then eventually I had to start taking my lunch to school. And I was always kind of picky. Alright, so that's about done. It's going to be a while before I can pour that. I'm going to have to get like another vid. Let's, oh, you know what? Who's out? Okay, Lilu. Come on, babies. Oh, no, don't run away. Come on. Let me put you in Sean's room. That's my son's kitty. And mommy kitty doesn't like her. And we keep this locked, not to keep him in, but to keep the dog out while he's at school, because she likes to come in here and he doesn't want her on his bed. Which, you can't see that, I blame him. Oh, go on. Oh my gosh, no. Oh, yeah, you purring. Hi, baby. I show you're a good girl. There you go. No. Okay, so you stay in there. And let me come out here. Pepper. Go on, little mama. Yeah, you need to go outside. Go on. Alright. As always, the hot house is a hot mess, so I try to avoid showing you guys how really dirty it is. But that's just life. Hi, guys. Here's my babies. Oh, you looking for your foods? And mommy gonna clean your room. Hi. 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 Hi, Leroy. Ah, puppies. Hungies. Yeah, smell the peanut butter. Okay. Let's give them a little food. Hi. Yeah. You guys can't be too hungry. I know Dad just fed you last night. Yeah. Good kitties. Leroy. Poppy Poo. Hi, Poppy. Leroy. Patrick. Little Patrick. Hi, guys. Yeah, it's your turn to come out. You're going to come out for a little while. And I know that sounds really mean, but it keeps everybody safe. Rosie. No, Rosie. Sweetie, let me take this away just for a minute. Just for a little bit while the kitties are out, okay? They won't get your thing. Yeah. She says, I look like a real sweetie, but I'm possessive over my food. Huh. Hi, Rosie. Good girl. Hi, Patrick. Hi, Mama. You coming to say hi? Yeah, I get my pets too. Yes, we still have Georgie. He's in the bedroom with Daddy. But there's all the kitties. Babies. Hi, Diana. Aren't you good babies? Hello. Yeah, Miss Rosie loves the kitties. There's Mama Kitty. And she can't go. I won't let her out because, well, I let her on the porch sometimes, but the other cats are out there. And I think she wants out, but, you know, since being spayed and she's been in, and look how beautiful her coat is. You know, she's got no mats or tangles or anything. And I think even though she likes to be out, she's like an indoor cat. Leroy, no nibbles. Hi, babies. Okay then. All right, guys. It was a quick check-in. The previous bid has the lunchroom lady bars, and I'll try to come back in later when they're finished. But I just wanted to drop by and say hi. We haven't been on much. It's just been crazy with work. So you guys take care, and we appreciate all of our old friends and our new friends on the channel. Family too. We'll see you guys later. I can't even get her on the camera. Dutch. Yeah. Okay, everybody. Hi. Yeah. No. Don't you. Don't do that.